In sports, recently, Netball Jamaica launched the Netball World Cup Qualifier for the Americas region at the NCB Wellness and Recreation Center in Kingston. The qualifier will occur between October 15 to October 22 at the National Indoor Sports Center in Kingston. 8 countries from the 18-member region are vying for the 2 available spots. Jamaica has already qualified for the Netball World Cup, which will be held in Cape Town, South Africa next year from July 28 to August 6. Speaking at the launch was Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, who congratulated Netball Jamaica for hosting the qualifier and committed monies to the event.
The team, for preparation, they need about 1.8 million. Consider it done. You will need 2.5 million to transport the players. Consider it done. I know that you're going to need the venue, and so it's not a little bit of money. Consider it done. So today I'm committing to cover those expenses and a little extra as a start. So I'm committing $12 million at this time.
Minister Grange will also be the patron of the event. President of Netball Jamaica, Tricia Robinson, welcomed the opportunity to host the event, which she says has never been held in Jamaica before this upcoming qualifier.
There's no coincidence and surprise that our regional counterparts have reacted with enthusiasm, and we look forward to hosting them and adding our usual Jamaican flair. While Jamaica is number 4 in the world and number 1 in the region, we believe that a strong performance by the region will only help to build and grow the visibility of netball. The more we play, the greater our ability to improve the growth and opportunities for all practitioners of the sport. And of course, we love to see our Sunshine Girls play at home. As the highest ranked team in the region, it is important for us to work with our Caribbean neighbors and America's netball to continue to lift the quality of the game in our region.
Ms. Robinson expects stiff competition from regional teams.
Based on the results of the OECS games, we expect very tight competition from the region. You have the top teams, Barbados, Trinidad, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. We're looking forward to fierce competition on court. They also get a chance to play the Sunshine Girls. Though we're ranked number 4 in the world, we get the opportunity to involve more of our development players in this sort of competition.
The competition will run for 6 days from October 16 to October 21 at the National Indoor Sports Center. The last staging of the World Cup was in 2019 and was the 15th edition of the INF Netball World Cup. It was held at the Liverpool Arena in Liverpool. New Zealand were the eventual winners, with runners-up Australia and England taking 2nd and 3rd place respectively.